the price of Terra is bound to go above 100 US dollars in the next coming few days or weeks. But there is obviously going to be a little bit of a retracement because this is just basically how the markets go. And obviously we saw a very good, dramatic pump towards the upside. So obviously having a little bit of a correction as far as Luna is concerned wouldn't be something that would be so shocking, because I mean, guys, come on, what do you expect? The price has been doing very well for a very long period of time. If the price of BTC is going to maintain its bullishness, right? Because as you can see right now, this is what we are having with regards to the price of BTC. The current price of BTC is around 43,522, and we did push up as high as 45,257. Okay, so obviously at this particular moment, a retracer, or rather a retracement, a little bit of a breather, is obviously absolutely natural and healthy. So these are the levels that we are going to be looking at as far as Bitcoin is concerned. 42,502, you know, this particular level, which is around 40,000. So between 40,000 US dollars all the way up to around 42,500, this particular threshold is a very good reload zone as far as I am concerned. So this is what I'm expecting the price of BTC to do, but it just depends on the bullishness of BTC and what is going to be happening. So this little green box that I have demarcated right over here is going to be your sort of entry level in case you guys ended up scalping and doing what you need to do as far as the coins are concerned. So I am looking for something. I've just I'm looking for that thing that I can use. Yeah, I'm not losing everything right now. So hold on. Yeah, I was looking for the paintbrush. So yeah, this is what I meant. So we could have that particular situation where we end up retracing all the way to around 40,000 as far as Bitcoin is concerned, right? So that is obviously scenario one. Okay, that is extreme retracement, extreme scenario one. And then we also have a situation or a scenario where we could end up, you know, bouncing from here and then pushing up like that, and that's the first scenario right over here. Okay, so these are the two scenarios that I'm expecting. Now a lot of you might be saying, hey, look, what if we continue going bearish from here and we just end up not retracing? Because what if this was the absolute high? Because if we take a look at the 3-day time frame, right, there is a probability and a possibility that we did hit this particular level, because at this particular moment, right, we have begun ranging on the 3-day time frame. So basically this is our range from around 33,000 US dollars all the way up to around 45,500. So this is our little green box of trading action, and you guys already know the type of you know, implementations that you are supposed to be taking at this particular moment, especially due to the fact that you guys already know the ping-ponging type of action. So we had a similar situation a while back, right, before we finally broke out. So this is obviously a very lucrative area to trade in. So at this particular moment, whenever we hit the pinnacle of this particular upward level, you already know that there's going to be a little bit of a retracement, and there is a probability to retest the lower side as well. So we are basically going to be trading back and forth until we finally decide what type of direction we're going to go, whether we're going to end up dropping all the way to 20,000 US dollars, or if we're going to end up pumping towards 58 and potentially going to a new all-time high. So these are obviously the options that we have. So this is going to take a little bit of time. It's going to take a while. And you guys already understand that on the 16th of March 2022, right, that's basically about is it, you know, 12 days from now, the US is going to be announcing their interest rates. So depending on the outcome, or rather on the type of news that we are going to be receiving on March 16th, right, we're going to know whether we're going to be slightly bullish or slightly bearish. So until then, right, we are going to be ranging. We are definitely going to be ranging in this particular area for a very long period of time. So this is one of the reasons why I told you, look, guys, be very careful and just do what you got to do, and you guys are going to be a-okay. So that is as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So on the short short-term perspective, you guys already understand the type of scenarios that I have. The other scenario that we are bound to have is obviously this one, because I've got scenario 1, which is obviously going to 42,500 and then bouncing, and scenario 2, which is going as low as 39,000 or 40,000 and then bouncing. Scenario 3 is obviously us beginning to range right over here and just go to the bottom of this particular range. So that is a third scenario, a potential scenario. So you guys already know the type of scenarios that I'm going to be working with, right? Because by the end of it all, I do not really want to, face a little bit of backlash, because sometimes when you just give like one definite high probable type of move, right, you guys usually tend to get lost in the sauce. So this is one of the reasons why it is very important for me to give you all the different respective narratives and scenarios, so that you guys can be well equipped when that particular trading price action is quite evident. So you guys already know these are the types of scenarios that I'm looking forward to trading in the next coming 24 to about 72 hours. So one of these is obviously going to play out, and depending on the type of price action that we're going to be getting in the next few hours, I will let you know which one of these narratives is highly probable. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, because you guys already know the way that I explain. I really make it simple, I really make it easy, so that you guys can trade along, and basically you do not even need my guidance, because you already know the type of scenarios and narratives that you're supposed to be expecting and how to trade them. So yeah, that is basically as far as BTC is concerned. So obviously you guys already know that the cryptocurrency markets are directly correlated to BTC. So whatever BTC does, the altcoins obviously do tend to reciprocate. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe, quite all right, right? As far as Luna is concerned, yes, we did do very well, but I really expect a little bit of downside before the major pump above $100. So why exactly am I talking about $100 per Luna? The reason why I'm giving you $100 as a target is because it was the previous all-time high. So the previous all-time high of Luna was on 27th December 2021, and it was trading around $103, and we are literally 11.9%, well, roughly 12% away from the previous all-time high. So let me just show you the basic graph so that you guys can have a better perspective. So this is what has been happening. So we are just remaining with a little bit of push till we just explode towards new all-time highs. And if you take a look at the market cap of Luna, right, the current market cap of Luna is 34 billion US dollars, and in comparison to the to the top 5 cryptocurrencies, we have BNB occupying the 4th position, and it has a market cap of around 68 billion US dollars. So I really believe Luna could potentially flip XRP. And by the way, where the hell did XRP come from? By the way, did you take a look at this particular amazing pump? Luna has done 55% in the past 7 days, which is absolutely ridiculous. In a good way. So yeah, so we are definitely going to be seeing what is going to be happening. But hey, we have had like major push up. So I really expect like a little bit of stagnation, and the prices are just going to be ranging back and forth before that final explosive move towards $100 and more. So yeah, let's take a look at the markets as well. So the highest gainers in the past 24 hours have been Anchor Protocol. By the way, Anchor Protocol is built on Terra Luna. So this is obviously something which is very, very good. So the other coins that did very well are Juno. I don't know what the hell is Juno, Fractures, Osmosis, and a whole lot more. So VChain has been doing very well. So VChain is up by about 18%. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, overall, right now things are getting a little bit shaky, which is expected. Things are getting a little bit grimy, and we're just going to see what is going to happen. So I really hope that you guys took a little bit of profits right over here, and you're going to be able to play some more if the price continues to drop a little bit further. So these are the different scenarios, the three respective scenarios that I am expecting you guys to sort of work with in the next coming few hours. So I really hope I was loud and clear. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little bit of analysis, and in case you guys have got any other questions for me, please send me an email. The email is probably going to be in the description. Remember, I have a financial consultation company, and I do help people with their portfolio, because I know for a fact that a lot of you guys don't really know exactly what to do with your investments, your money, and all that stuff. So in case you've got any consultations that you would love to have with me, please feel free to check out the email, free consultations, and then later on we're going to figure out what we're going to do and what will make you the most amount of money. So remember, it's all about minimizing the learning curve. I have been trading cryptocurrencies for a very long period of time, well, since 2016, and guess what has been happening since 2016? There has been a lot of volatility. I have lost a lot of money. I have been liquidated a lot of times, and from those lessons I became stronger. So why not help out people who are just beginning this particular journey? So feel free to reach out to your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Talk to you guys a little bit later. You guys have been awesome. God bless you, and talk to you in the next few hours. Take care. Bye.